Thank you all very much for coming here. Thank you for supporting Manufacturing Works. Simplex IT is good. Thank you.
Hey, this is Ken Patesy, President and Executive Director of Manufacturing Works. Just want to thank Simplex IT for sponsoring our event tonight. We had a great time. It's wonderful to work with an organization like Simplex, who we use as a quality supplier to us for our needs, but also is there to support us in our events as a sponsor. So thank you again, Simplex IT.
So we're here at Topgolf because cookies, and we're sponsoring the first of 4 networking events for Manufacturing Works because cookies.